Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sandy, and today I'll be showing you how to create this Ghana weave crochets without using lace closure. So if you want to know how to create this amazing lovely style, just watch the video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. So this is the sections that I already took out to start my Ghana weave. So the very first thing, I took out a strand, that's a little strand first, and then I started braiding. So you want to braid that first, and then you take out the next section, and then you place the hair on top of the braid like so. So guys, this is the whole method. So we're just repeating the same step over and over again. Just watch the video to the end, guys, and it is very simple, and I'm very sure you'll be able to make this for yourself and also be able to make Ghana weave braids without using lace closure. Like, it is so easy. Like I keep saying Ghana weave, and I know that some people don't really have the money to get closures, so you can just use this method to create your own Ghana weave without closure, and yeah, and also make them and sell them. Yeah, you can actually create crochets of these, like put about 12 pieces in a pack and then package them and also sell them. So yeah, I'm happy to show you guys how to do this, because I believe someone out there would be so happy to see this video. So yeah, let me not bore you with my stories. Just watch the video to the end and you'll be able to understand every single detail of it. So yeah, I'm just doing 2 strands just to show you guys how it is made. So if you want to do this, you can just repeat this procedures depending on how many crochets Ghana weave you want to make for the wig. So yeah, this is all there is. So just watch the video carefully to the end, because there is something very important I want to show you guys on how to place it on the wig cap as well. yeah, this is our Ghana weave crochet braid, guys. This is it. This is how it looks like. So this is not a wig cap precisely, this is just the net. So this is a Swiss lace net that is used for making lace closure. So I'm just gonna place the Ghana weave crochets on it so that you guys can see how it looks when you're placing it on a frontal wig cap if you want to sew. So this is how you place it, and this is how you pin it down, and then you start sewing them down to the wig cap. So yeah, that is all, guys. This is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment and share this video with your loved ones. Okay guys, that is all. Bye.